In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create interactive dashboards with Claude 4.5. If you're eager to explore a new way of visualizing your data while making the most of AI capabilities, then you're in the right place. We're taking a look at Claude 4.5, a tool that brings data interaction to new heights with its impressive artifacts feature. Let's dive into the steps that will guide you through the process. First, it's crucial to start by enabling Claude artifacts. This feature in Claude 4.5 is key to creating interactive web applications right from the chat interface, making complex data visualizations easily accessible. To enable this, you'll want to go into your Claude settings. Make sure that the Artifacts feature is turned on, which will allow you to harness the full potential of interactive dashboards this platform can offer. Next, you'll need to prepare your data. Think of this step as setting the stage for everything that follows. Your data should be organized and in a structured format, such as CSV, JSON, or Excel. This allows Claude to interpret and utilize your data effectively. If you're dealing with raw and unorganized data, take some time to clean it up. Consistency and clarity in your data structure are vital to ensuring that Claude can generate accurate and insightful visualizations. Remember, well-prepared data is the backbone of any successful dashboard. Once your data is ready, the next step is to craft a detailed prompt for Claude. This is where you transform your ideas into reality by instructing Claude on what you want the dashboard to achieve. Be specific with your prompts. Explain what aspects of the data you want to highlight, any specific visualizations you have in mind, and how you envision interacting with this data. The more detailed your prompt, the better Claude can tailor the dashboard to your needs. Picture this as a conversation with Claude, where clarity ensures a more satisfying end product. And that's it. With these steps, you're well on your way to crafting dynamic and interactive dashboards using Claude 4.5. This tool not only simplifies the process, but also amplifies the possibilities of what you can achieve with your data. Whether you're aiming to present statistics in a meeting, create an insightful business report, or simply explore data for personal projects, these interactive dashboards can transform how you view and interact with your information. By enabling Claude artifacts, properly preparing your data, and crafting a precise prompt, you're setting yourself up for success. Embrace the capabilities of Claude 4.5 and unlock new levels of data interaction today. Thank you for joining me, and happy dashboarding.